A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Dear students of rural development programs, today I will deliver a lecture on Agrovillas program. For rural development. The word agro refers to agriculture. And villas means villages. That is, agriculture being the major field of activity in the villages. Generally speaking, agrovillas are small towns located in rural areas designed to be self-contained settlements which would offer their inhabitants a balanced range of public services, that is, social and cultural facilities, by providing employment opportunities to people near their places the agro villas would help in checking the present large-scale migration to cities. Major objectives of agro villas. Number first, to counter the attraction of the big cities by providing economic, social, cultural, health, educational and recreational facilities in small market towns. Number two, to serve as point of industrial diversification and to spread the cottage industries in towns. Number three, to provide the distribution centers for agriculture supplies and solution of local agricultural problems. Number four, to supply the institutional credit and mobilizing and using rural savings for local development. Under this point, to supply the institutional credit, it means small loans to farmers to invest in agriculture, to raise their living standard. Institutional credit, for example, ADB, Agriculture Development Bank, is providing loans to small farmers in order to invest in their agriculture to boost their economy. Number 5, to improve the farmers' bargaining power and reducing the prices of consumers' goods through cooperative and organized markets in small towns. Under this point, to improve the farmer bargaining power and reducing the prices of consumer goods through cooperatives and organized markets in small towns. Through cooperative markets, under this, the middleman who is exploiting the farmer his task will be controlled. Both the farmer will benefit in the large scale under this program. Number 6, to eliminate wasteful expenditure on programs of various departments at the village level. Under this point, to eliminate wasteful expenditure on program, we are wasting a lot of money on different programs in village. Under this program, we have to confine our expenses on such programs in order to save money for the government and for the people. Number 7, to bring cooperation between nation building departments and agencies dealing with socio-economic and cultural development of the rural communities and villages. Cooperation between nation building departments and agencies. The main point is this: for example, in agriculture, there are various departments. When all the departments they are cooperating with one another, automatically the development of agriculture university will be there. Hence, we have to establish cooperation between departments. Automatically, it will boost the agriculture. Same is the case. Different building department, when they cooperate with each other, automatically socio-economic and cultural development of the rural and villages will come.